Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Okay guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can mask an image into a cycle. So watch me creating this video step by step so you'll be able to mask an image into a cycle just by yourself without employing anyone to do it for you. So let's go. First of all, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be able to get all my videos updates about graphics design, how to make money online. I have a lot of secrets that I want to show you on my YouTube channel. Just ensure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you all receive the notification once I publish my video guides on how to make a legit money online and how you can create a graphics design without employing any graphics designer. With my easy guide, my step-to-step guide, be able to create your own logo designs, create a flyer design just by yourself. So alright guys, in this video you'll be learning how you can mask an image into a circle just by yourself using your own smartphone with the right tools, Pixel Pro. So let's go guys. So first thing you need to do is to ensure that you select your picture with using import tool. Select your picture using import tool. So okay guys, so click on import, then ensure that you select your own picture you want to use. Okay, so this is the picture I'm using for this tutorial. This is the picture I'm using for this tutorial. That is the picture. So just click on the picture and it will take you directly to the pixel interface as seen above here. Okay guys, so this is the picture I've just imported right here. So after I've imported my picture, so another thing that we need is to bring in a cycle. So if you want to choose a cycle, just click on this button. Just click on this. Just click here. Just click here and click on shape. Just click on shape. Just click on shape. Just click on shape. Select a circle. As in here, a circle. Then press it how you want the picture to show on the screen. So this is how I want the picture to be on the screen. Let me just show you here. Let me take it to the back. Guys. So by selecting this back button, so just click on back. So that it simply means once this picture is inside this circle, this is how it will look like. The whole picture, the body of this picture will be inside the circle while the head will be outside of the circle. Just watch me creating this. Okay, please ensure that you subscribe, like and comment on this box. Subscribe. So now I've selected my circle. Then I will also need another shape which is rectangle. Let me hide this circle first. Let me hide this circle. Okay, I've hide this circle. Let me show you again. Okay. So it's my circle. So let me hide it. If you want to hide any shape or any object, just click on the eyes. Click on the eyes too. That is hide. If you want to delete, you can click here. If you want to lock the picture so that if whenever you are touching the background, the object will not be moving, just click on that padlock to lock the object on the screen. So right here, what I'll be doing here is to make sure that I hide the circle, so that by the time I created another shape, which is rectangular shape, I will not be touching the other object. So I will click on that. I will tap on the eye icon here. So I will tap on the eye icon to hide it. So now we now go back and create another shape, which is rectangular shape. Remember, if you don't change the color of this shape, of this rectangular shape, it will not give you the result. So you have to change the color of this shape to another color. If you don't change the color of this, if you don't change the default color, it will not give you the desired result. So therefore, we have to change the color to any color of our choice. This is another color, so you can choose black and choose blue. You can choose any color of your choice. Okay, so now I've chosen another color. Now just make sure that you spread the this rectangular shape as in this. Then I will go and unhide the circle shape that I've previously added. I will just click on unhide. I will click on unhide so that it will show again on the screen. That is unhide. So it is not showing now. Now this particular shape, circle shape, I want the circular shape to come to the front. Let me first of all hide this square circle. I told you that anytime you want to hide or delete or any object, just click here. Click this panel. So once you click on the panel, it will bring them out. It will bring this on the option out. So then click on shape and hide this and hide the shape. Click on hide this square shape. Okay, as you can see now. So now let me now bring the circle shape. Let me bring the circle shape. I want to bring it to the front of the image. As you are seeing here, bring it to the front. Now what I will do now is that I will also need to change the color of this shape to another color, assuming that I'm using red color. Now, so I've chosen another color. Now, for us to get the desired result, remember that we are masking an image into this circle. So we have to duplicate this circle, making it 2 circles. So what we will do is that we just scroll down and select this copy. Select this copy too. Select it to duplicate the shape icon, the shape logo, the shape circle. Sorry, to change the circle shape. So I will now make sure that the shape are in the same center. So now they are now I will now return. I will make sure that one of this circle shape will be at the back of this image. So I will now say send to the back. So we now say send to the back. Send to the back. So click on it. Say send to the back. Now, so one is not at the back, while one is not at the front. Then I will now go back and unhide the rectangular shape that we have just hidden. So now click on this panel to bring the option. So we now click on unhide. unhide the circle, the square, unhide the square shape. So it is now outside now. So now what we now need to do now is that we need to match the two shapes together. We need to match the two shapes together. And please ensure that you subscribe to this notification button and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to receive more tutorial videos on my channel. So I will have to match these two shapes. I will have to match it together. I have to match it together, 1 and 2. I will have to match the two shapes together so that the two of them will become one. So this is what I will do now. So I will now go back to the panel. I'll go back to this panel. So once I've come to this panel, then I will now say I want to match the circle and the rectangular shape together. Now this is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do now. So we will now say, you will now tap here. So make sure you tap here. This is the panel to reveal the margin option. So just make sure you click on this to reveal the margin option for us. So click on it. You can now see. So we have to now mark the two together so that we can match it. Then you now click on the match icon, which is this one at the beneath of the screen. So just click on it. Can you see now? Match. Are you sure you want to match the selected objects? Then you click on yes, which is okay. Now we have matched the two shapes together, making it become one. What we will do next is that we will make sure that we remove the red color. So we just come to erase color. Click on erase color and enable it. Enable the option. Enable the option. Now click on the glass. Click on the glass. Sorry. Click on the glass. Now tell you that you want to remove this red color. Can you now see now? So we have done with this part now. Now remember that the circle is a duplicate size, a duplicate object. So that the one that we have duplicated, that we have hidden, we have to unhide it again so that it can show at the back of this picture, at the back of this image. So now click on this panel again for us to see the options of the hide and the margin option. So click on it, then click on the unhide screen and lock screen. Then we want to see the other shape that we have hidden. We want to see the other shape, and also we want to make sure that the object can be movable. So we mark the two together. Now click like this and this for now. Now you can see now that this is what we want. This is exactly what we said we want, right? Okay, now what we are going to do now is this. I have to position the back circle to ensure that it fits in very well. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do now is that we are going to match this object with the image together. We are going to match the two together, which is this. So then we have to go back and click on the picture that we want to match. Then click on the picture and the object together. Click on the picture and click on the object that we want to match them together. Then come back to the down side, and match, and click on the match icon to match them together. So now we have matched them together. Are you sure you want to match the selected objects? Click on OK or yes. Now go back to erase color again. Go back to the erase color. If you follow this step by step, you'll be able to do it on your own as well. So click on the erase color and open it, and click on the glass. Click on this glass. Click on the glass and drag this glass to this area that we want, to this area that we don't need this blue. So we have to drag the glass to this blue so that we can remove this blue. So now drag it and remove this blue for us. Then click on OK. Click on this OK. Can you not see? Now you can see. Now you can see. Now you can see. Now you can see. That is the end of the video. Please, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more of our video guides. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video.